What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today we're actually gonna head over and actually start fixing the F30. So from right now, what we kind of know is that it's misfiring pretty bad. So we're gonna try to figure out. I bought some used fuel injectors just in case, because the guy said he put on some aftermarket injectors, which made no sense to me. We're gonna go ahead, throw those on, see if it helps fix anything. If not, we might just take it to BMW to get diagnosed properly, just to make sure everything's good on there. Let's go ahead, head over to North's house real quick, and I'll meet you guys up over there. All right, guys, so we just made it to North's house. We got the car chilling right here. We're just gonna go ahead and put it on the trailer real quick, work on it on the trailer, because I'm pretty sure that's not the problem, but we're gonna have to tow it to BMW to actually get a full diagnostic on it. So that's the plan for now. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, put it on the trailer, see if it could be the injectors, swap those out, and then take it to BMW regardless. So let's go ahead, load up this thing. Go ahead, show you guys the process of it, getting it onto the trailer and everything, because last time I wasn't able to record it because we were just busy, but I brought my tripod this time so that you guys can actually see it. So let's go ahead and start loading it up. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead, try driving it up. Okay, we're gonna see how this goes. All right, you're gonna have to guide me, Nor. All right, we kind of got it straight enough. So now I can just drive it up? Just straight up, okay. It's dead. I can't give it any more gas. It wouldn't let me give it any gas. Like, I gave it gas and it wouldn't go. Is it good? All right, guys, so we got it up on the trailer. Man, I cannot stand this beige interior. Maybe we'll have to do something with it. You're good, you're good. Oh, I can't open the door, huh? I have to climb through. Oh. All right, boys, we gotta climb through here. All right, I'm gonna get out of here real quick. Hold on. Yo. All right, I made it out of here. Shoot. All right.
So we just need to remove all this towel stuff here, so then we can just remove this fuel injector, the
rail itself.
And then I have a tool to actually remove the fuel injector, so it
for
should
sure.
be easy.
Okay, let's try doing that real quick. All right, guys, we got the fuel injectors over here. I'm gonna go ahead, open these up real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead, get into installing. North's taking them apart right now. Undo this real quick and then try to replace all this stuff.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Wow, that's not even in there.
Yeah, they didn't even freaking put
I didn't have to even use anything to really get these out.
Bro, what the heck?
So these are definitely, they're aftermarket for sure, which is a good thing we pulled them out.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we got out the first two over here. Now we're gonna grab the second ones. One step closer to getting this car running. It's looking good already. Really excited about this. Yeah, let's go. Got the new ones in, guys.
New to us.
New to us. Actually OEM, because the other ones were not OEM, so that's good. Turn on the car and see what happens.
Like, I'm telling you, I've done this, like, that's why I don't mind doing this. I've done it a handful of times. Oh my God.
Why did you walk in front of me? Why did you just walk I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was the most random thing I've ever seen. Alrighty, guys, so we got it all put back together. We got the new injectors in. So now I'm gonna hop into the car and try starting it up and just see what happens. Maybe it fixed it. I mean, I honestly doubt it, but we're gonna go ahead and see. So let me jump in the car real quick. I kind of gotta finesse my way through here. Okay. See what happens. We're gonna try starting it up. I mean, it started. Sorry guys, my video stopped recording, but it's actually idling decent.
Oh, it's idling.
It's actually idling. It's not like dying. Oh, wait.
Is it bogging?
It's starting to bog. Wait. Hold on. Sounds like a lawnmower. Record it. Record it from up there.
Hey, bro, what intake you rocking? Oh, it smells terrible.
All right, I'm gonna turn it off. It runs.
That is the longest it's idled so far.
Yeah, that's the longest it's idled, but
impressive.
still a problem. So we're gonna go ahead. I think we're gonna go ahead and take it to BMW and just see what happens.
I'm not gonna lie. I think also the fact that he put in those aftermarket injectors probably flooded it. Because, bro, that thing was stuck open. I took out one of the fuel injectors, and it was, like, just seeping out gas.
That's crazy.
So I think, like, they always go with OEM fuel injectors. Like, that's, like, not even an option.
Ah, man.
Crazy.
Yeah, don't put aftermarket fuel injectors in your BMW, guys. They only cause problems. So for now, I think what we're going to do, we're going to take it to BMW, get it diagnosed, and see what happens. Hopefully they'll be able to tell me what the real problem is, because obviously it's BMW dealership. Like, they should be able to tell what the real problem is. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take it over there and just see what happens. So let's head over there real quick. Here's the process of getting out. True race car status right here. Got the slick top and everything. Alrighty guys, we got the car dropped off to BMW. So we're gonna go ahead and see what happens. So I'm gonna leave the video off right here. Pretty much we're gonna have a diagnostic or a diagnosis of what's going on with it. Like, it really just stopped running pretty much completely. So we're gonna see what happens. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and end this part of the video right here, and we'll catch you guys in the next part of the video.